those people, they know who you are. See what I'm saying? The evil entities. They know who you are. That's why they use people as vessels to try to tear you down. You gotta see straight through that dude. Yeah, try to make you seem crazy. The truth gonna always seem crazy when when you're living a lie. That's their biggest thing. They always try to make the truth sound crazy. That was the reason why they come with all this conspiracy theory and all that shit. Everything that is the truth, they say is a conspiracy. And we see straight through that shit though. See what I'm saying? They gonna always try to make the truth look crazy. That's what they did from the get-go. See what I'm saying? Much gratitude for the gifts. That's what they did from the get-go. That's why they try to hide our story. See what I'm saying? That's why they try to hide our story. Because the truth. They don't like truth. They live in an illusion, so they want everybody else to believe the illusion that they created. That's a narcissist. See what I'm saying? The third dimension is ran by narcissists. So a narcissist is going to create a reality for you to believe and beat you down to their size so that they use you for their rise. Because they can only beat you down. They cannot rise. But that's what makes them feel good. By tearing you down. By dimming your light. You got to see straight through that shit. And not allow them shine your light bright. Shine, because that light shine bright on darkness. So those who live in an illusion, they don't want that light to shine bright on them. That's all that's happening. See what I'm saying? They're trying to put your light out. Shine even brighter on theirs. That's why you spread love. Spread love. Transmute that hate into love. Shine bright on that. Cause they feel like oh, nobody ain't supposed to see that. All the things that they try to keep hitting. Cause when a person deceives themselves, they expect everybody else to be deceived by their illusion. See what I'm saying? Just for the simple fact that they believe their illusion that they created for themselves, they expect you to believe that too. That goes to show you the ignorant mindset. So if you see straight through the illusion, they gonna automatically have a problem with that. Because you're shining light on their darkness, the things that nobody ain't supposed to know about. That's automatically you doing that without even trying to do that. Because of who you are, the loving being, the pure-hearted being. See what I'm saying? And their job is to dim that light. See what I'm saying? You step in the room, you turn on the lights. They expose. See what I'm saying? Without you even saying anything. So, you got to be mindful of that. Shine even brighter. Take that shit, power up off of that. Shine even brighter. You got to see it for what it is. Because they don't like it. That's why the truth is coming out. And that's why they acting a ass. These low vibrational beings, they are acting a ass. Why you think they're trying to stop the sun? Why you think they're trying to block the sun? Because the sun allows you to see vividly. See what I'm saying? It shines that light on darkness. See, it has a lot to do with decalcifying your pineal gland. That's why they blocking that sun, because they know more and more people is gonna awaken. See what I'm saying? Because that sun is a natural healer. Nature is a natural healer. See, it clears your lens, your spiritual lens. It clears your spiritual lens. The sun allows you to see vividly the real truth. That's why they're trying to block it, because they don't want the truth out. But they cannot block the energy that's coming in. We still activating the solar storm. Yes, we still activating. They could try to block the sunlight, but we still activating. They're not doing nothing. That goes to show you the ignorant mindset. Even though they're not affecting nothing, because it's already written. We are going up in frequency. It's the love frequency. They cannot kill the love frequency. That's why it was important that they snuck in and did it back way back when, in the beginning. They snuck and did it. You know, they got in good with us. They got close to us, and we were loving them. That's how they were able to invade. They so-called came in peace. That's how they was able to invade us and take over and conquer us, because we were loving on them. We were trying to help them evolve. See what I'm saying? Much gratitude for y'all tuning in. We were trying to help them evolve. Loving on them. But a person that don't love themselves gonna receive love as hate automatically. And that's what happened. So they saw that, they learned all they could learn, and they used it against us and enslaved us and tricked us into casting spells on ourselves. But see, the thing is, we are taking our power back. We know who we are. And we reversing all those spells that's been cast on us. See what I'm saying? Because they cannot defeat us, so they tricked us into defeating ourselves. That's why I say you are the only one that can get in your way. They tricked us into defeating ourselves. See what I'm saying? You got to know who you are and claim your power. Claim your power and do not be afraid of who you are. You are everything, and everything is you. I say this a lot because that's who you are. You are a creator. Remember that. Everything is a mental thing. Whatever you believe, that's what you receive. See what I'm saying? Much gratitude for y'all tuning in. I love you, beautiful souls. Keep on loving yourself. We are raising the vibration up in here. We are rising. We are rising in frequency. Make sure you are protecting your energy and meditating deeply, and stay in your heart space. Stay on a high vibration, because we are rising. Our God body is forming. See what I'm saying? Our God body is forming. Make sure you stay loving yourself. Keep on working on yourself. Grounding out in nature. Get as much nature as you can. See what I'm saying? Because the frequency is rising and it's not stopping. Whether you raise your vibration or not, it's not stopping. So you will wanna, we are going up. Ain't no more going down. See, that's why Mother Earth is purging. Mother Earth is purging. All the natural disasters, they ain't nothing but her cleansing. She's cleansing. Getting rid of all unnatural things on the planet and all evil entities. That's what's going on. It will not touch the high vibrational beings. Nature will not destroy the high vibrational beings. You are nature, so you cannot be destroyed. See what I'm saying? New earth forming right now. Ashe, ashe, ashe. So that's something like I like to touch on, because I'm here to remind you. Like, when you see things on the news like about the natural disasters, like, see, they push certain things, to instill fear in you, because they want to get a negative reaction out of you. You got to be mindful of that and use your discernment. See what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, like long as you keep on raising your vibration, that will not affect you. Long as you stay in your heart space, use your discernment, it will not affect you, because you are vibrating. You are vibrating on a level that nature is vibrating on. See what I'm saying? So it will not affect you. But that's that's a part of their trickery and their lies. They want to try to move you through fear, because fear is the only way that you can control a person is if they're afraid. See what I'm saying? Much gratitude, much gratitude. I love you too. I love you too. Peace, love, and abundance to all. So y'all gotta be mindful of that, like real shit. Like, use your discernment, because they know, like, we are creator. That's why they try to paint certain pictures for us. They try to paint certain pictures for us and show us that just to get a reaction out of us, a negative reaction, or